of these stocks, Cipla is under pressure post the US FDA, observations, 8 observations in the Form 483. Adani Group stocks are under pressure. UPL, SBI Life and Apollo Hospitals are a couple of other stocks in the red as well. It's F&O expiry week too, so let's see how it shapes up. For now, looks like the start is going to be mildly in the green. No great progress as far as the headline index is concerned. Well, that's the first tick on the index. As expected, 15 points in the green for the Nifty. So it's a mildly positive start, you'd have to say. The Sensex is up about 90-odd points. The Bank Nifty is up about 70-odd points. So in that context, very, very flat start to the market. Eicher Motors is your top Nifty gainer. It has been gaining quite a bit of ground lately. Power Grid, Dr. Reddy's, Asian Paints, Bharti Airtel are a couple of other stocks that are holding in the green. In fact, a couple of these monthly gainers, whether it's ITC, Bajaj Finance, ONGC, all been big gainers this month, about 8 to 10% higher. They're seeing some follow-on buying this morning. Titan, Britannia as well are trending in the green. They've been big movers this month. A couple of these IT names, HCL Tech, Infosys, are also holding up, providing some support for the market. But what is not supporting the market this morning is Cipla, 5% lower now. The street definitely doesn't like the US FDA observations, more competitive intensity in its products, and Cipla is the biggest loser right now. Divi's Laboratory has also lost almost 20% this year. I mean, in the first 2 months of 2023, Divi's is down 20%, and it's exerting some more pressure on the index, down about 0.5% right now. Apollo Hospitals is down about 0.6%. So pharma in general is not doing well this morning. Sun Pharma is also down about 0.5% or so. Apart from that, you have consumer or consumption stocks which are also on the back foot this morning. Nestle, Tata Consumer, a couple of others like Britannia, just about, trending on the red line. So largely, you'd have to say it is a start where the market is just about consolidating. No direction. So it's pretty much directionless in the early moments of trade. In the broader market, Samvardhan Motherson is the big mover, up about 5% and plenty of other stocks that Nigel will talk about. But in general, very, very quiet start to trade.
Well, it's a quiet start, Sonia, but quite a few stocks, in fact, are reacting to positive news flow. As you mentioned, in Samvardhana Motherson, well, that's up close to around 4%, one of the top traded stocks in the first minute or so. You have KEC International, they won a large order of around 3,000 crores odd, so that's opened up well in the green. RITES, they won an order for around 76 crores odd, so that stock as well has some green out there. Pennar Industry is a large order for the size of the company. 850 crores is the order win out there. And Kalpataru Power as well, as we saw earlier today, well, we had some news that was flashing on the screen that they as well had won a large order. So Kalpataru Power as well. A lot of order wins, all those stocks reacting positively. United Beauty as well, the managing director and CEO, Rishi Pardal, had resigned, though they've got to stay on the CCI penalty. For the time being, the stock is mildly in the red. Precall as well as Minda Corp. In Friday's trading session, both of them ended with a sharp cut. Today, both of them have opened up mildly in the green, with a gain of close to 100%, both Precall as well as Minda Industries. A couple of other notable movers in top volume traded stocks. Nykaa is up close to around 3%, so that seems to be bouncing back. And Adani Wilmar as well, large volumes being seen out there. That one as well is higher in today's trading session. The Nifty has given up all those gains. As we said, the sell and rise is likely to play out. So that's played out, but a crucial support is at around 17,850. I think if we hold on to that, then we're in a bit of a range. But we've come off 50 points in the first 2 minutes itself.
I mean, Nigel, as I said, it's clueless, right, as we start a new week. Not clueless, but clueless.